This is our showroom. This is where we first started demonstrating our stove. In the showroom here we have two stoves. We have a cooker behind me here. This is 500 millimeters wide, 900 millimeters high. It has a firebox in the top with an oven below it and a cooking hob. The stove is running with 3 generators. The generators are producing electricity to light up our light board. I'll show you the light board before I show you the kind of lights we're going to use in the future. There is one wire at the back of the stove. I'm not sure you can see it, but there's one wire directly from the stove to the light board. The stove is running. The lights are bright. There are 120 10-watt floodlights here. This was a project for India, and we were looking to light up a village. Each house in India has one room and requires one light, so we can light 120 houses from a wood burning stoves of this size. I'll show you inside the firebox to give you an idea. The fire is running. Below is an oven. Pizzas, wonderful. We have developed another cooker that you can see behind me. This cooker will take 12 generators. So if you're looking at a cooker taking 3 generators running 120 lights, you can imagine 12 generators, how many lights that can run. So we can maybe light 500 houses with one fire running directly from the stove. We also identified some more lights that we thought would be an advantage in a house. This is a 3-watt light. This light, as you can see, is rechargeable and it can charge up from the stove. So if it was inserted into a house, it would act in 3 ways. One is a torch. The next is a downlight, so it can go into the ceiling in a house. It's rechargeable, so it can be running permanently charged off the battery, off the generator into its own battery. But also it has a USB port in the side, so it'll charge a mobile phone. It's 4 volt, 3 watt. So this running in a house would light the room in the house at the same time as being able to charge a mobile phone. It can be taken away from the mains, from the fire, and it will still work. So you can take it out of the house, bring it back, put it back in its location, plug it back into the fire, to the generator on the fire, and it'll recharge, ready for the next time you want to take it out and use it. It also means that anybody with one of these lights automatically charging a mobile phone has access to the internet and communication access. So we've been looking at these lights, but we've also been developing our own. I'll tell you a little bit more shortly, but thank you for this video.